are so annoying. Can you please get out of my face? Can you please get out of my face? Oh, get out of my face! Tom, get your friends.
Everything you're doing is just.
I don't want anyone seeing what I'm putting on.
Are you rubbing the meat?
Can you go away? You're ruining New Year's for everybody.